Applying effects, master effects. So, we have figured out with the audio. Now let's consider the video effects. How can you apply the effects? All the effects that we have are located in the project panel, in the Effects tab. If we don't have this tab, we can display it using the key combination Shift+7. It's enough to know the name of the desired effect in order to apply it. Or we can manually search it in the folders in Effects. By the way, it's better to use the English version. Let's consider the usual blur effect. We enter one word, and the program shows all the effects with its word. So, we have clips. There are several ways to apply effects to the clip. Firstly, we can drag the desired effect to the video, and it immediately appears next track in Effect Controls. Also, we can do it in a different way. We can select the clip and double-click on Effect in the Effects panel. Next, we can select a clip and then move the effect from Effects to the Effect Controls panel in the Source window. Moreover, we can select all the clips and apply the effect to all the clips at once by dragging. We can apply many effects sequentially, and they will be applied one by one in the Effect Controls panel. Sometimes we just need to swap the effects to get the desired result, and we will get a completely different effect. Each effect has its own parameters. For example, Fast Blur has 3 parameters. Each of them can change in time. Each of the parameters has a stopwatch. There is also a reset panel and a checkbox that enables repeat edge pixels. That is, when we blur the edges of a video, it will have a black border from the edge, because this effect assembles pixels to blur them from a certain radius. You need to enable repeat edge pixels in order to avoid a black edge. Well, there is blur dimensions, horizontal, vertical, and in both directions. The main thing is that we can create points and animate any parameters. Plus, there is another secret feature. We can apply effects to the clip both on the timeline and directly to the media source of the clip. To do it, we should go to the Effect Controls panel and select the Master tab. That will allow you to overlay the video on the media source itself. Now we have an empty window where you can drag an effect from the Effects panel to Project. In this case, the video on the track adds a red underscore to its FX icon, which means that the effect is applied to the media source. We can also animate the effect from the source and link it to a particular moment. Let's say we applied the blur effect, and the clip is immediately blurred. This method of applying effects can be useful for the color correction. So that we don't have to change every place in the clip, we apply color correction to the media source to get processing over the entire video. It's so convenient, and it saves time. That's all I wanted to say about the effects. Now we will consider the masks.